Hi, I'm Dave Epstein. Welcome to Growing Wisdom, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite annual flowers. So you often hear the term annual and perennial. So perennials are those plants which come back every year, something like echinacea or black-eyed Susans. You put those in the garden once and they'll live for years and give you lots of pleasure. But annuals are those plants which you plant and then at the end of the season they die off. However, one thing that happens with a lot of annuals, and it can happen with perennials as well, is that the seeds often drop down and you end up getting another flush of the same plant the following year and the following year and the following year. And that's the case with the larkspur. So larkspur are these great tall plants. This one's about 4.5 feet tall. They come in a lot of different varieties in terms of color. So we've got this very dark purple, we've got a lighter purple, and over there we've got a nice pink one. And I like them because they are sort of wispy and very airy. They pop up anywhere. I kind of let them grow. There is one little problem. The rabbits absolutely love them, so you have to kind of keep your eye on them or maybe spray them with a rabbit repellent as they're getting taller because the rabbits will eat them, and that's happened to me before. But larkspur are a great addition. They also make for a great cut flower, so I could cut this particular flower and bring it inside and it would flower for quite a long time in the house. But if you're looking for an annual flower that's not going to take up a lot of room, if it comes up somewhere you don't want it, you can just pull it out and it will come back for several years to come, and they come in many different colors. So larkspur, they love sunshine, they need to be in well-drained soil that's evenly moist, and they'll flower right around that June-July timeframe. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.